Hey guys, hello and welcome to Apex Detail Studio. My name is Gaurav and we've got the best of the 2024 Ford Mustangs here in the shop. We've got a 24 Dark Horse and we've got a 2024 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Both of these cars have been fully protected with the PPF and the window tints. This one's just come back in for the PPF inspection where we've done a lot of custom decal work on this car as well. So all the orange lettering is all custom stuff that we've done on this. This one, we're going to be doing the full PPF on it, just like we did for the Mach 1. Let's talk more about what it takes to do a PPF on a car like the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. It's going to be an interesting video, so stay till the end. There you have it guys, that's what the full PPF on the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse looks like. We've gone into a lot of intricate details on how we've done the full PPF on this, and you would appreciate that as you look more in the car and see all the small bits that have been covered on this. At Apex Detail Studio, we pride in doing top quality work like we've done on this car, and that's one of the reasons why a lot of customers trust us for this type of work as well. If you're looking to protect your car and want a work that's this quality, get in touch with us. The details are going to be down in the description, and I'll see you on the next one.